purchase. So that's the same idea here. And that's the reason you will want to create a series of follow-up messages. When you are creating your content, focus on the important points like how the product can make things easier and more enjoyable for people who purchase it. Do your best to convince those who signed up for your free report that they will be missing something bigger if they don't take the time to at least check out the product or service that you are recommending. And be sure that the content gives specific reasons to buy the product without making it sound like a sales pitch. And you gotta keep in mind that by providing useful information to your visitors, doing so will only increase your chances of making a commission. And that's it for this particular section. In your next video, we will be talking about what you should look for in an affiliate program before you actually start joining them. I will see you there in the next video. Hi, and welcome to the second lesson of the Introduction to Affiliate Marketing course. In this particular video, we're going to talk about what you should look in an affiliate program before you start joining them. Let's jump right in and start with one of the best ways I can think of to choose a product to promote, and that is by deciding whether or not you are interested in purchasing the product yourself. If that is the case, chances are there are many others who are also interested in it as well. Of course, you can't just base your decision to promote an affiliate program on whether or not you like the product, but it is a good place to start. Now let's go over some other thing that you should consider. You will want to look for a high quality program, and you can find these by taking a look at what experts in that particular industry are promoting. This way you can get a fairly confident feel that the standard of a program is good or not, or it'll waste your time. You want to look for programs that offer real and viable products. Do some initial research if possible. Track down some of the members and customers to give you the testimonial on the credibility of the program. And you got to ask yourself some questions such as, does the program cater to a growing target market? Doing this will help ensure you that there will be a continuous demand for your referrals. For example, if you find that the program caters to a stagnant market, it's not really growing, then all the work that you put into now will not, make money for the future. So you kind of have to look on the long term and in the future as well. And again, do a little research and make some inquiries. If there are forums and discussion groups related to the product topic, participate and look for reliable feedback. Now, a program with a compensation plan that pays out residual income and a payout of 30% or more would be a great choice because you're getting monthly or quarterly or whatever residual income. Now, there are programs offering this kind of compensation. You just have to look closely for one. Also, don't waste your time with programs that do not reward substantially for your efforts, and be aware of any minimum quotas that you must fulfill. Some affiliate programs impose prerequisites before you get your commissions. For instance, they say you have to make more than $100 or make 10 sales before you receive your paycheck. I mean, if you think about it, if the sales target is too hard to achieve, you might want to think about rejoining, because for every sale that you help them make, you still have to put in the effort. You might have to, pay money up front, do PPC or whatever, things like that. Another thing you want to do is select programs that have plenty of pre-made tools and resources that can help you grow your business in the shortest possible amount of time. Not all affiliate programs have these capacities. Then you want to ask yourself, is the program automated? Check out whether or not the program has an automated system that allows you to check your referral statistics and compensation at any time. Does the program offer strong incentives for customers who make additional purchases or for members to renew their memberships? Affiliate programs that provide continuous